Hello friends, welcome to my channel Junior Tech-Shikshak. My name is Harman Khosla. In this video, I will tell you how to make a text-to-speech software using Notepad. So, you are thinking, what is text-to-speech? The text-to-speech is like if you are having a text and you want to narrate it. So, the computer will narrate it to you. So, I will tell you how to make that software. So, without wasting time, let's begin. So first go on the start menu, click on the start note, type notepad. Just open notepad. Okay. Here type capital D I M then space then capital M and then small E S S A G E. In message then comma then space then speak. So what the dim message this line is doing is what dim is doing, that dim is dimension, so it is defining a variable. The variable we are defining is message. We will use it later in the script. So thereafter that go on the second line. There type message is equals to sign and input box. Okay, type the exact thing I am typing. Then in these brackets, then inverted commas, that type enter text. So it will show enter the text that you want to narrate. And then there type a comma and then again inverted two inverted commas. In there type speak. Okay, so hit enter. Then there type set speak is equals to sign then create object. Yes, in this and again these brackets, then sapi.spvoice. Sapi.spvoice. Yes. So what this is doing, no, you have to put inverted commas also here and here. So what this is doing, the sapi.spvoice is the Microsoft default voice. So it's creating it. Okay, it's creating it. So the last line, go on the fourth line, there type speak dot speak, then space then capital M then small E S S A G E. So what this is doing, after all this all script is done, then speak the message that is typed in the input box in the sapi Microsoft default voice. So the software is ready. Click on file, then save as, then desktop. Give it any name you want. Like I will give to speech. Text to speech. You can give it any name. Then after giving the name, type dot VBS. This is a Visual Basic script, and save it as in desktop or any place you want. You can save it in any place. Like I will save it on desktop. Save. Then you can close the notepad. Save. Here it came. Just open it. It is showing enter text here and speak that we defined. Now you have to enter the text and the computer will narrate it to you. Like I will type here, hello, what is your name? I will hit enter.
Hello, what is your name?
So the computer is narrating to me. You can enter any text. Like I will type your computer is developed by you can type anything. Like I am typing anything you can type.
Computer is developed by Kraus Babbage.
Okay. So anything you will type, the computer will narrate it to you. So have a great day.